A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Hard work is one of the important things in one's life. Without doing any hard work, we will not be able to achieve our dreams. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. With this beautiful thought, I, Shruti Vichin, class representative of Grade 2, welcome you all to the virtual class assembly of Grade 2 and appreciate the hard work of our students.
Aradhya, I was thinking that from the beginning of time, humans everywhere have been discovering and inventing many things.
Absolutely right, Avan. Just as inventions can lead to discoveries, discoveries can sometimes lead to inventions.
That's amazing. But why are we talking about inventions and discoveries?
Oh, Avan, don't you remember today's our class assembly?
Oh, yes, I'm excited for this. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
In an effort to make novel discoveries benefit of scientific knowledge, we students of class 2C are here to present our class assembly on inventions and discovery. The purpose of Gayatri Month is to offer prayers to Sun God. So let's call Yavi Gupta to recite the Gayatri Mantra. Join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhur Bhuvassuha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhur Bhuvassuha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhuvassuha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Shanti Shanti Om.
The prayer offered to God in the morning during our quiet time is the key, unlocks the door of the day. Let's start the day with the blessing of Almighty.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed by thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, from ever and ever. Amen.
Such a great start to the day. Every thought we think is creating our future. Now, my friends, Tisman and Aditya will share thought of the day with all of us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tisman. Today, thought of the day is science knows no country because knowledge belongs to the humanity. And it is the torch which illuminates in the world. Thank you. आज का सुविचार है कि विज्ञान कोई देश नहीं जानता, क्योंकि ज्ञान एक विचार है जो दुनिया को रोशन करती है. धन्यवाद.
The thought was so enriching.
Poem is a rhythmical creation of beautiful words. Now, my friend Dovyam will be reciting an English poem and Priyana will be reciting a Hindi poem.
Everyone, I, Dovyam Balyan, is going to recite a poem on inventions and discoveries. Let's appreciate the greatest inventors and their inventions. Inventors, you made something new. You make up our lives easier, a big roof for you. It took Ben to make the telephone ring and Edison to light our way. It took Robert Fulton in a steamboat to chuck down the bay. George Pullman made the sleeping car for railroad trips at night. Blue Waterman made the fountain pencil so everyone could write. Inventors, you make something new. You make our lives easier. A big hurrah for you. Thank you.
मैं प्रियाना गिल आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है विज्ञान एक नई पहचान। आदि मानव सा बनकर रह जाता ये संसार, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। समुद्र से उठाकर अंतरिक्ष ले आया ये ज्ञान, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। हिट सो मिली ऐसो भी तो जब चारों ओर अंधेरा था, दीपक को जला के लोगों ने वो कठिन समय गुजारा था। फिर थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन ने बल्ब का आविष्कार किया, रोशनी की चमकीली चादर पूरी धरती को उड़ा दिया। अंधेरे से ढका था ये संसार, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। जब अपने दूर हो जाते थे, मिलने को नहीं जा पाते थे, पत्र भेजकर लोगों तक मन की बातों को पहुंचाते थे। फिर ग्राहम बेल ने टेलीफोन का आविष्कार किया, दूर दराज से लोगों को अपनों में ला खड़ा किया। पत्रों के इंतजार में निकल जाते थे कई त्योहार, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। देश में क्या विपदा है, कब क्या हुई समस्याएं है, किसके साथ कब क्या हुआ पता नहीं चल पाता था। फिर गुलेलमो मार्कोनी ने किया रेडियो का आविष्कार, दूर दूर से लेकर आया सुख दुख का समाचार। आकाशवाणी बना भारतवासियों की जान, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। लोग बहुत लाचार थे, सामान उठा नहीं पाते थे, कंधों पर रखकर बोझा लो पार कराते थे। फिर पहिए का आविष्कार हुआ, पहियों से बनने लगी गाड़ियाँ, गाड़ियों से एरोप्लेन तक का सफर तैयार हुआ। उड़ सकते हो जो खुलकर आज तुम्हें मिला पूरा आसमान, विज्ञान ने बदल दी दुनिया और दिलाई हम सबको एक नई पहचान। पैदल से चलने वाला इंसान अंतरिक्ष में उड़ गया बड़ा आसान, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान, विज्ञान से मिली हमको एक नई पहचान। धन्यवाद।
The poem recited by my friends were full of knowledge. I skate out the window to explore and experience the world. Now my friends going to present wonderful skit in front of you all.
Now it's show time. Mishra family is sitting together in their drawing room and watching TV. Why are you changing the channels again and again? Stop at something. Nothing interesting is coming, Mama. While changing the channels, the child stopped at something very interesting. Let's see what it is. Good morning, everyone. I'm Ritu Soni. Today I'm going to do an experiment to show you the density of water. For this experiment, we need 2 empty glasses, 2 lemon, and some salt and a jug of water. Let's do the experiment. Fill these glasses with water. The second one. Now I am putting a 1 lemon in this glass. See, was sinking. In another glass, put some salt in it. Now mix the salt in the water. Now I am putting a lemon in it. Now see, it is not sinking magic. My lemon is floating. Because salt has a higher density. It is sinking because lemon has higher density than water. This experiment shows that water has its own density. Toodles. Thank you. Oh, Dad, this is so amazing! Yes, Ayan, this experiment was so good. Dad, how does this child know that the lemon won't sink?
Son, everything that we use in our daily life has a reason that had either been invented or discovered.
But Dad, what is the difference between inventions and discovery?
A discovery is something is already there in this world. Example, how Christopher Columbus discovered America. An invention is a new thing invented by a person.
Come, let's watch some of the major inventions and discoveries. Mrs. Mishra is showing different videos to her son on her iPad. Wheel. The discovery of the wheel changed the medium of transportation. Before the wheel, people had to drag things on the ground or put them on animals. Now, a lot of work is done with buses, cars, and machines, etc. People invented the wheel in 3500 BC.
The invention of the calculator is most beautiful gift for the mathematicians and people of the world. The first invention of the calculator was abacus. It was made in 9th century in China. Later on, French mathematicians Blaise Pascal made first adding machine in 17th century. Thank you.
Gravity. Gravity is the best discovery ever to mankind. Once a young man named Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree. After some time, one apple fell down on his head. He thought why the apple fell down and why it did not go upwards. This thing made him discover that Earth has gravitational force. When an object is thrown upwards, it will definitely fall down. Thank you.
History of paper alike to stew. In the early time, people used to carve messages on stone and wood. Then the first ever paper was invented back in the year 1805 in China. It was made by boiling the plant fiber like cotton, and when the thin film dried, it becomes sheet of paper.
The invention of the bulb is not less than a miracle. One day, little Thomas was reading something. Then he asked a question, why he must use dirty, smelly gas to light his room at night. Then he began experiment with light bulbs. In 1879, he finally invented light bulbs after various failed attempts.
The discovery of India is quite astonishing. India was discovered by the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama
the explorer sailed from Lisbon in 1497, arriving in Calicut, India in May 1498.
Computer. The computer has born to solve problems. In 1833, Charles Babbage invented all the parts in a model computer. But it wasn't until 120 years later that the first model computer is invented. In 1936 by Cornelius Joust, and it was named Z1.
Aeroplane not only helps to travel the world, but the story behind its invention is fascinating. Two brothers, Little Wilbur and Orville, liked to play with machines. One day, their father brought home a toy helicopter that flew. They wanted to fly it too. They studied all things about plane. In 1903, they flew the first plane.
Wow! These inventions and discoveries are so amazing. I wasn't aware of this.
Yes, my child. Science is the biggest gift that we have.
I also want to discover something, but how should I begin? To discover something, Ayan, you need to question everything around you. Try to know the reason behind everything. Alright, Mom. Now I will also ask reasons for everything.
भेजा निचोड़े जो सारे सवाल एक एक करके ढूंढ के निकाल काहे न सूझेंगे इनकी मजाल नोच के दिखाए बाल के निखार सवाल के बिना ये जिंदगी है रात बंद की जला जला दे इतना ऊंचाई और मारे 35 डिग्री पर बादल बर्फ का नहीं बनता अगर हम पूरी बॉडी का रेडियस को डबल करते तो कितना दूर बढ़ेगा बार में ही पढ़ के मान ले हम किताबों में लिखा है जो मजा तो तब है जब उकर के हम दिखावे न पहले हो सखा है जो सिखाने वालों को सिखा देंगे की पढ़ा देंगे रहेंगे शब्द को बदल के हम कहीं से क्यों नहीं बना देंगे हर बुद्धि की सर्किट में पैदा कर उसका बन जाता है चलता फिरता
But that wasn't easy for them. Always asking questions.
No, child, it wasn't that easy. They were called fools, laughed at, but they never gave up and found answers of their questions.
And when they found answers, everybody praised them. Their inventions and discoveries were no less than miracles for the world.
It was such a knowledgeable and presented to us.
Absolutely. What next, Radhya?
It is rightly said that when you dance with your heart, your feet follow. And to pay tribute to all the inventors and discoverers, our friends are going to present a dance.
थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू देंगे वही सलामियाँ दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ
was so energetic.
It is rightly said that science is a beautiful journey of exploration from the known to unknown, as all the inventions and discoveries give rise to shining ideas and show us new ways to live our lives with ease and comfort. Today, we witnessed the assembly of Great Second Sea, which highlighted the impact of inventions and discoveries on mankind. I, Neha, would like to thank Principal Ma'am, coordinators, parents, and all the dear children who made this assembly a beautiful experience. Thank you so much.